If God so loves the little birds, I know He loves me too. He loves me too. He loves me too. I know He loves me too. Because He loves the little things, I know He loves me too.
When a familiar old hymn swells through the clay and glass, gallery visitors will see a little sparrow fall.
If he so loves the little flowers.
It's a smashing exhibit by artist Julie Oakes.
This is one of the birds that I did in the studio of Alfred Engerer, and these ones are a hot glass pour.
While the death of the birds is a public affair, their birth is far more intimate.
So Greg is making the punte right now, putting glass on the end of it. And this is what we're going to use to attach to the back of the bird in order to be able to manipulate it as we're doing the hot work. So we're working with the tools to give it the proper configuration to be able to attach to the bird once we have the bird made.
Molten glass, 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, poured into a cast iron mold. Smoothed into place. Pressed to spread further. The ladle steaming hot. Piercing the glass for holes to hang the bird.
Now we're adhering the punte into the red glass, making sure that it's stuck right in there so that it will draw out the bird.
Which is then thrust into the glory hole. A fiery furnace heating it up to make it flexible.
Okay. You want to do it from the turning.
Each bird shaped by hand to make it unique.
And the tweezers will do the twist, right?
Yep. Good to go.
Occasionally torched to make the extremities hotter than the body.
Put it back in.
Thrust back into the glory hole to provide more flexibility.
Okay, should I do it now? Cut it out? Or is it too hot still?
Oh, wait, let it cool down a bit.
Okay, yeah, it feels a little bit.
When shaped to satisfaction, a few drops of water applied in the right spot allow the bird to be set free.
Okay, try it again.
Okay, good to go. Got it.
Good.
And then it gets to rest overnight in a cool-down oven. Birth of the Birds. Swounds. Artist Julie Oakes.
I just wish that it wasn't over, actually. I want to have more babies.